Hello my dear students, welcome to the another session of social studies. Now we are on the last lesson of second semester, that is lesson number 9, fire, farming and wheel. Now in this lesson we are going to learn how fire, farming and wheel was invented. You know, nowadays our life has become very comfortable. We have electricity, then we have air condition, we have microwaves, we have all the facilities. We can travel from one place to another through vehicles. We have different kinds of vehicles. For land it is different, for water it is different, and for air it is different. But no, you know, in earlier days, like 5,000 years back, during the time of early human, their life was very hard. They didn't have any facilities. They don't know how to cook. They were not having any transport facilities for traveling from one place to another. Then they don't even know how to cultivate, how to do farming, from where they used to hunt for food. So their life was very difficult, and they don't even know like how to make clothes also. So you know, they used to wear the leaves of the trees as a cloth, and then they used to hunt animals, and they used to eat the flesh of the animals without cooking, because they doesn't know how to cook. And then they used to live in caves also. They were not having any homes to live, to settle in. So that's why they used to live in caves. Now I think you must have got a rough idea that in this activity, we are going to do this activity, and in this activity you have to identify uh, the things which belong to the early humans. Now we can see the skin of the animals. This is the skin of the animals. So what they used to do? They used to take out the flesh of the animals. So this was used by the early human. Next, cake. They don't know what is cake. Then fridge also, they were not aware of the fridge. As well as television was also not invented during their time. Then can you see the picture of leaves? This was used by the early man in order to cover their bodies. So this belongs to the early man. Next, this is the meat, the raw meat. So this was eaten by the early human. So this also belonged to the early man. Next, sofa. During the early human time, there was no sofa. Now caves. This is a picture of caves where early human used to live. This was their shelter. So this also belonged to the early man. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about the discovery of fire, developing of farming and invention of wheel. Now we know that the life of early man was very hard. So now we will see in this topic how much they struggled for living a better life. Life of early humans. Early humans lived a hard life. They had to hunt for their food. They had to walk everywhere as they had no means of transport. There were no machines or electricity to make their lives easier. However, over the time, early humans made certain remarkable discoveries and inventions that made their lives better. So before, when early humans were not aware of the discoveries and inventions, Their life was very hard and difficult. They used to go for hunting animals. They used to eat raw food because they doesn't know how to cook. They used to travel from one place to another on foot because they didn't had any means of transport. But after few years, early humans, they started making discoveries and invention, which made a very which had a very remarkable thing um, in our lives. So let us see what are the discoveries and inventions were made by the early human. Now the first was the discovery of fire. Fire was the greatest discovery of early humans. It is believed that they first noticed fire when a branch of tree was struck by lightning. They could see that it killed animals and burned the trees. After a very long time, they learned that the fire gave them light in the dark and kept them warm. They found that animal flesh burnt in the fire tasted better than the raw meat. So, when next time they saw fire breaking out in the forest, they kept the fire going by adding dry leaves or grass to it. However, the early humans had not learned the art of making fire at that time. So, discovery of fire. How they discovered fire? What is the purpose of fire? So once when there was a lightning on the sky, one of the branches got stuck by the lightning, and the branches, the trees were burnt by the lightning. So many animals were also burnt because of the lightning. So in this way, early man, they actually discovered that uh, fire is true fire. They can through fire they can actually cook the animals, and in fact they understood that uh, they understood that cooked or roasted animal is better than eating a raw meat. But then till then they did not learn the use of, they don't know how to make fire. So they doesn't know like how, from where they can create fire in order to cook. So next we will see that how the early man learned to create fire. No one exactly knows how early humans discovered fire. It is believed that one day they saw sparks coming out when the two stones stuck against each other. When these sparks fell on dried leaves, they caught fire. Early humans then started rubbing two stones together in order to make fire. The discovery and use of fire was very important to early humans. So after when they discovered fire, now they started creating fire. Once they saw that when they were rubbing stones, they saw that some lightning, some sparks were there from the stones, and this created fire, because when there were sparks, those small what is sparks? Sparks means small burning pieces of fire. So when that fire fell onto the grass, it caught the grass started burning. So in this way, the early man, they learned how to create fire. They learned that by rubbing two stones together, we can create fire. And in this way, they created fire and they started using fire for cooking. Then also for various purposes. Now, what are the uses of fire? How they used fire? They gave up eating raw food because roasted food tasted better. So, after the creation of fire, they gave up eating raw meat. They started cooking food. They started to light up their caves using fires. So, before early man used to live in dark caves. But after the creation of fire, they started taking the fire. They started using the fire inside the caves also to light up the caves. They started using fire to keep the animals away. So they also used fire in order to keep the animals away from them. They used fire to keep themselves warm on cold days. So on cold days, they started burning fire, like we can say bonfire. Then because we know that fire keeps our body warm during the winter season, during the cold days. Next, this was the topic, the discovery of fire and the creation of fire. Next, the topic is beginning of farming. Now, after the creation of fire, how early man started farming instead of hunting the food here and there. Early humans moved from place to place in search of food and water. After some time, they realized that settling near river banks gave them easy access to water. They could also catch fish using their sharp weapons or tools. They saw this solved the problem of having to hunt for food. So, before early man used to go in hunt of foods here and there. Then they used to go for in search of water also. But later on, what happened? They started using sharp weapons in order to catch the fish. They made weapons from the wood. They started making weapons from the wood and started hunting, catching the fish. Next, as early humans began living on river banks, they made some observation. They observed that plants produce seeds which could be eaten. They also discovered that when seeds fell on the ground, new plants sprouted from them in a few days. So when they started staying near the river banks, they observed that from the plants some new seeds starts growing, and when they fell on the ground, when they fell in the ground, then after few days, that seeds it starts sprouting, means new from those seeds itself, new plants it takes place. And they also discovered, they also observed that they can use the seed as a food. In order to grow plants on their own, early humans collected these seeds and spread them on the land closer to the river banks. These seeds began to grow into plants. Gradually, early humans started digging the soil using stone tools to plow the land. This was the beginning of farming and agriculture. So, this was the beginning of farming. So, when the early man observe that they can, from the seeds a new plants grow, so they started digging the soil and planting the seeds inside the soil, and there the farming took place. The beginning of farming and agriculture took place, and instead of hunting here and there, they settled in one place and looked after the plants. Our next topic is invention on wheel. Now, invention of wheel. In early human times, there was no means of transport. They used to travel miles and miles in search of food, in search of animals. After hunting the animals, they used to carry the animals on their back and reach their caves. One day, when early man was sitting, he saw a wood log on the ground which was rolling from the top of the place. Then what he did, he thought of an idea that if he cut the log of wood into a circle, into a round piece, then what will happen? Then, so one day he cut a round shape from the wood log, and then he made made some cart, bullock carts, animals. Then he started using the animals in order to travel. So from there, the invention of wheel actually took place. And now, in the modern times, we can see that the wheels are also designed into different in different designs. We can see the wheels, and wheels are used in vehicles like cars, bicycles, then trucks, buses, as well as on aeroplanes. Also, we can see small wheels. Then we can also see on trains the wheels, because without the wheel it is not possible that a vehicle will run properly. Now, early humans carried heavy things on their back from one place to another. It was very difficult. Therefore, they made carts on which loads were carried from one place to another. But these carts were without wheels and moved very slowly. They could push or pull them easily only on level ground, but it was difficult to pull these carts on uneven rocky lands. It is believed that early humans might have noticed round stones rolling faster down hills than the flat ones. This might have led them to search for similar objects. In the process, they have discovered that the round pieces cut from tree trunks rolled easily. This is how the wheel came about. Early humans fixed the wheels to their carts. Now they could easily pull their carts even on the rocky grounds. Traveling on land became much quicker and easier. Later, they made carts that could be pulled by bullocks. Thus, invention of wheel greatly changed the life of early humans. So, this was the invention of wheel. So, in this chapter, we learned about the life of early man before the invention of fire, before the invention of farming, and the invention of wheel. And then we discover, later on we read about how early man discovered fire and created the fire, and also how farming came into existence, how farming was how the development of farming was done. Next, the invention of wheel. Now let us do an activity. The discoveries by the humans have made our lives easier and comfortable. So, because of the invention of elements, now our life has become very easier and comfortable. Give 1-2 uses of fire. What are the uses of fire? Fire can be used for many purposes, but at least here you have to name only 2. 2 uses of fire. It can be used for cooking. then it can be used for burning. Next, give any two uses of wheels. Two uses of wheels. What are the two uses of wheels? You can give any two reasons. This you have to write by yourself. And next is why farming important. Give one reason. Why do you think that farming is important? Let me give you one example that why farming is important. Because of because of farming, we get foods, we get vegetables. Now, you have to give the reason. Well, again, what are the different uses of farming? Next, let's move on to the exercises. The life of filling the blanks. The life of early humans were very hard. Early humans rubbed two stones together in order to make fire. The food became tastier when roasted on fire. Before the discovery of wheel, early humans carried heavy things on their backs from one place to another. Settling near river banks gave early humans easy access to water. Choose the correct answer. Fire was first noticed when dash was struck with lightning. What is the answer? Branch of tree. Early humans learned that fire kept them warm. Dash without wheels moved very slowly. Carts. Early humans learned to make fire by dash, rubbing the stones together. First wheels were made of dash, wood. Now, this was it. I hope so. You must have understood the chapter. And I also hope so you will do the activity. So, let's wind up the session here. We'll meet on the next session. Thank you.